Hello there again. This is Jonathan with Renu Krew. Today we are in Summit, Mississippi, working on a pretty large two-story brick home, a little over 4,200 square feet. Customer has a few areas on the house. It's got some black spots, a lot of algae and buildup. We're going to take care of today. We're also going to clean their driveway and their sidewalk, and their kids has a tree house they want us to clean, so that'll be a first for Renu Krew. But right now we are currently waiting on water. Seems to be an ongoing thing. Got everything prepped, but we're about to start, so as soon as we get a little more water in the tank, we will begin.